Did you hear about the robberies that are happening?
Yeah, I heard about the ones downtown.
Yeah, there was a couple that happened not too far from here.
I wonder if it's the same person.
Can't be, because the ones downtown was us.
Oh, you're right. You know what? It could be some copycats.
Well, keep your eyes open. I'm going back to work.
Still got about 5 more minutes. I'll see you in there.
Hello?
I've been watching you.
What?
Turn around.
Where are you?
Black truck. Walk towards it.
Please, I don't have any money. Hello?
You forgot your lunch.
Dang it, Grandpa!
I begged you for snacks.